understand the possible penalty for those charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Do you understand those rights and the options those rights present to you?
Yes, I do.
Are you pleading guilty to the 2 added counts today?
Yes, I am.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Heather Williams, I gave 10% on every file. Yeah.
Oh, was he gonna get it at 10?
Say again? I thought it was 9, but
Look, here's Mr. Smith and Elaine coming in. I mean, Mr. White. Okay. Can you put them on my desk or on my chair? Like,
and who's representing?
Mr. Granada.
Mr. Granada, your appearance for Mr. Smith, please.
Morning, Your Honor. 78413. I'm IT counsel for Mr. Smith. I'm sorry, Mr. White. Mr. White, did you say your name correct?
Sorry.
Even White.
All right, and I've got a plea agreement that says Mr. White's going to plead guilty to domestic violence from January 3/23, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, do you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Counsel, would you voir dire and get the facts I need?
Yes, Your Honor. I don't have the actual date and
January 3, 2023 in Romulus.
January 3rd, 2023 in Romulus, was there an incident that attracted the attention and visit by law enforcement?
Yes.
At that time, did you make contact with an individual without that person's consent?
Yes, I did.
Physical contact, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Yes, sir.
I will accept the plea. Is he in custody just on this or something else?
So, Your Honor, he's actually, he served 90 days at Macomb. He was released a couple of weeks ago, and he was picked up by Wayne County on this. So he's been incarcerated for 90 days in Macomb County on a different domestic violence. He's already pled to that one. He's on 18 months of probation with all the requirements out of that jurisdiction for anger management and other types of remediation.
Okay.
He's also, like I said, spent the last 2 weeks in custody on this charge at Wayne County. And I think it's state attorney, they have no objection to giving him credit for time served and to offer him, as his penalty, 12 months of non-reporting probation.
No. Oh.
By the way, Your Honor, he hasn't had any contact with either the victim or anyone else at that address in the last 3 years.
Okay.
And has no intentions to, and no need to ever go back.
Okay. Did we lose Mr. King?
Not in person, he's in person.
Would you ask Mr. King to step in? I want to see if we've had contact with the victim so we can do an immediate sentencing. If not, we'll have to schedule. Oh, Mohammed, maybe.
Mr. Muhammad is the one that drew up the.
The one you were talking to.
July 14th, 10 a.m. by Zoom would be the PSI, and I can put all the information whenever I do this.
Thanks. Mr. Mohammed, on the Stephen White matter, I think the complainant's name is Tony Hicks. Did you have contact with him? I'm trying to decide if we can do an immediate sentencing.
I didn't have the contact, but his phone is not served. So I'm waiting for me to reach him.
Yeah. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. Mr. White, I'm gonna, he's currently held just on us, right? This bond is the only thing to keep him in. I'm gonna change your bond so you can get out of there. I'm gonna schedule a pre-sentence interview. So that's gonna be July 14th at 10 o'clock on Zoom. We'll put all this information on your paperwork
Yes, Your Honor.
so that you'll be interviewed by probation. They'll have a chance to send notice to Mr. Hicks to see if he's got any input before we sentence. By law, I have to give a victim a chance to weigh in.
I
So-
understand, Your Honor.
After July 14th sometime, you'll be sentenced. You'll see the report that is prepared by probation. I'll look at that report. You'll have a chance to go over that with the attorney, and then we'll talk about whatever you want to talk about, and I'll sentence you at that time. Do you understand all that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So currently you're at 5,000, 10%. I'm gonna put you on a 5,000 personal. All the other conditions are the same, including
Yes,
no
Your Honor.
contact with Mr. Hicks and not to go back to that address.
Perfect, Your Honor.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, good luck.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
That's it for me. You do.
No, don't ask me.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Even more. Three. Hold on.
Mr. White, you're all set.
Thank you.
Deja, your attorney's here in person. We're waiting for him to speak to you.
Thank you.
You got any more bodies out there? What are we waiting on?
We have a one.
We got two. Mr. Lemke at 8:30, that fall was gonna let Eichinger do it. Eichinger's here for his 10:30, who is now on Zoom, but he's in person. And Mr. White.
That's Darnell White.
Darnell White, they have nothing from children.
Okay. And Darnell White is here, right?
Yeah, then I called, I called his attorney manager, I emailed his attorney. Not me so far. And, the problem. Mr. on his pen. Because the same thing as this and. Piece about days. I think it's within days. And so that case is scheduled for. It's not scheduled for an exam, but this is scheduled for PCC for next week.
So we got two Darnell White files.
Yes, I didn't give you that when I was waiting for the attorney to come in so that it didn't confuse anything. But he's the same guy, same charges, same victim.
Joe,
Yes.
have Darnell White come in. And who else you say you're waiting on?
Lemke is out.
Lemke?
Victor is here with, Lemke is our violation.
Yeah.
Challenge just in frequency. Was very smart. Second, if you can remove, you have 3 times.
No problem. All we got this afternoon is Shoma, right?
At 1 o'clock, yes.
So yeah, tell him 2 o'clock-ish.
2 o'clock, very good.
Mr. White, have you heard from your attorney? Have you made any attempts to contact him or her? I don't know. Her? And no luck. And what's the other file scheduled for when?
The PCC next week. On Zoom with this Mark.
So let's adjourn this. Is this scheduled for PCC today?
Yes, good. PCC.
Let's just put it on with that one. All right, so I'm gonna adjourn this one. You got one next Tuesday, another file, right? All right, so I'm just gonna bump this one till next week. Contact your attorney, make sure she's there. All right,
I'm gonna give you-
yeah, we'll give you a notice. Next week's by Zoom.
See, how raise is paid. Okay, I'll shout her, don't forget it.
What time, Heather?
That is at 8:30 in the morning.
Martin? And is Lemke? Is Lemke good?
He's here, Mr. Eichenberg from NDS is talking to him.
Good. Thank you. Mr. White, looks like you owe us some money on a parking ticket from 2024, $144. Can you take care of that? Okay, but you owe us money. Can you make a payment arrangement or something, to take care of that? Do that before you leave the building, please.
Your engineer also invited to know what status.
Oh, he's had no luck getting a hold of his attorney. It was scheduled at what time this morning? 9:15.
Also NDS.
Right.
Figured that out.
Well, Mr. White's got another PCC scheduled next Tuesday. So I just adjourned this one till then. So hopefully he can get his attorney to talk about all of it. Oh, she got it.
Yours are all right here. No, you can take. And when I emailed to the attorney, I want copy of the person attorneys.
Was Singh scheduled for violation or show cause today?
They did a show cause on him.
So that's,
We ordered more.
yeah. Hey, Joe, just whenever, those can go down to Emily.
What's the other case that Mr. White has, is that low substance case?
No, it's,
Same thing as today, just different incident date, right?
carrying concealed stalking and, so it's your case as well. It's the same victim.
Oh, I see it, that's the one. 799,
Yeah.
that's a 20.
The one
Oh, I don't even have a,
711055.
let's see, oh, the system. This is everything that I have for Mr. White. Oh, here it is.
Yes.
321.
Joe, FTAs?
So we're gonna put them next week at 8:30 with Judge Mark. And those are on Zoom.
Well, you know, the other things. They were chattering about, I'm on the our Judge Dad and Judge Susanna. So I said, they're 30 minutes from me. So I called him down and said, what are you doing on that? I got a call. He has a call back. What are you doing on that? See your YouTube fans are coming to see you. And I'm figuring if you're, I get you to list here, I'll just buy some pizzas while I'm lunch. But he said, it's a great idea. What is it? I said, July 9th. What day is it? I think I'm gonna golf on it. I'll let you know. So, remind me,
Have you
check
talked
with
to
her.
Liz?
No, I'm gonna see her tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna run these down.
That's fine.
Wait, those aren't 11 and 11:30 or 11,
Oh, yeah.
11 and 15. So those
Yeah.
don't need to wait on.
Oh,
Valley, I know, we'll wait. All right, I'll wait.
And
the orange files.
Valley will
Yeah,
wait
that's
on
all.
officers. And the other one that won't.
Joe, you don't want to do through your.
And you know, that day is crazy. It's here for it's gonna be a busy.
That'll be a good one.
And we're going all the way through to 2:00 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Time to find, we understand.
Did you ever find that clip with Bull doing night court? You should find it because I mean, it's like over the top.
See, and I'm glad Jonathan Roberts was nice to take the misdemeanors. Because some of them
Yeah.
are like, sorry, Judge, we won't do it.
Yeah.
They need, and then you'd be separating them and it just becomes a hassle.
He seems to be pretty on top of things.
Yeah, I would.
So, do you know if Iker still needs to speak to this Smith?
Did you let Mr. Irving Brown back?
Yeah.
Got it down a little bit.
A little bit. She's all upset because she went to some college that helped her do all the paperwork and they never told her about an order. I'm like, I told her, I said, you know, you can probably print the order out online.
Yeah.
I said,
Scale.
if you can't, then just go back to the college and tell them you need the order. And we told her, she gave her an email it to us, I'll sign it. We'll get you there. Good morning.
Morning.
Have you talked to Miss Smith yet, who's on Zoom, or do you still need to do that? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's take care of it, yeah.
Yes.
Probably don't, you got a plea agreement?
Yes.
We probably don't need Mr. Mohammed then. Miss Smith, go ahead and unmute.
I'm unmuted, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance?
Good morning, we're here for her defense service, please, 139, on behalf of Ms. Smith. We go resume, please state your full name for the court, Ms. Smith.
Miss Smith, can you hear counsel?
Yes, I can.
State your name.
Deja Smith.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel. What's the deal?
The deal is for my client pleading guilty to 2 counts of use of substance and for a PSI to be prepared, sentencing by the court, and mental health evaluation with treatment if recommended.
All right, Miss Smith, do you understand the possible penalty for those charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you discuss your rights with counsel?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Do you understand those rights and the options those rights present to you?
Yes, I do.
Are you pleading guilty to the 2 added counts today?
Yes, I am.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. On May 23, 2026, were you in the city of Romulus?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you come in contact with some police officers?
Yes.
At that time, did you have in your possession some cocaine,
Yes.
some methamphetamine?
Yes.
Counsel, you satisfied with the plea? I'll dismiss both the original charges, accept your plea to the new charges. I'm going to refer you to our probation department for a pre-sentence investigation and screening. They'll also schedule you for a sentencing. Based on that screening, they'll put together a report and a recommendation of sentencing. You'll have a chance to go over that with your attorney on the day of sentencing. I will look at that, and then the three of us will have a discussion about anything you want to talk about before I sentence. You understand the process?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you going to stick with this for sentencing?
Yes, sir.
So if you, before you get out of here, go downstairs and you can probably pick your own sentencing date. All right. Anything else on this one?
Numbers you should call.
They'll reach out to her. We've got your email, right?
Yes,
It's been a new number though.
You got a new phone number? Ms. Smith? You got a
Yes,
new
sir.
phone number? Go ahead and give us
Yes.
your new phone number.
it is
Oh, hold
313.
on, hold on, hold on. Don't do that.
It ends in 9385.
Does it end in 9385?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the good one. All right, so we'll reach out to her and schedule the pre-sentence investigation. All right. Bond will be continued. Do you have any questions for your attorney or myself, Ms. Smith, before we terminate the meeting?
No, Your Honor.
Have a nice day.
You have a
You-
greater one.
You can
Thank you,
sign
Your Honor.
off. You're welcome. All right, counsel, I understand you're standing in for sister counsel on Mark Lemke.
He's correct.
Did I say that right? Lemke? Go ahead.
You like to?
Sure, people have received information from Romulus Police as well as from our victim services representative, that after the defendant was arraigned, at least two, if not, attacking the complaining witness. The complaining witness did inform our victim services of this, and it was also contained in a report from Romulus Police, which Your Honor staff furnished to me this morning. Your Honor, people are very concerned, not only based on the facts of this case, which is an assault by strangulation case, along with the assault with a dangerous weapon, that being a bladed weapon. But also the facts of the case are quite disturbing. I understand there was a bit of a standoff with the police. The defendant was armed with a weapon and threatened self-harm. And we look at all of that, a conjunction with the bond violation that we feel are concerned with, find really appropriate. And I ask that Your Honor to increase the bond in this case to $50,000 cash and 10% of tuition. And instantly GPS tethering house arrest is a strict reminder as to when
Your Honor.
Their turn.
Service fees and something else for the council, Patty Satchwell. I had the pleasure of meeting Mr. Lemke this morning. He's here with his daughter, Carrie. After this incident, he moved in with his daughter. They live in Shelby Township, which is about an hour or so away, 45 miles away. I'm in a difficult position, not just because I just took over the case, but because I haven't seen these call logs. I understand there's allegations that my client attempted to make conflicts with the complainant 3 times following his arraignment. Bond was set low despite the worrisome allegations because he has no criminal history. He is 68 years old. He suffered some brain damage in a car accident in his 30s, does experience some mental health issues, but it is saying something that even after that accident, he has had no. So he's still facing allegations. He lives far away. His mental functioning is difficult for him to he understands what's going on here, but to recall exactly what happened. He does have a phone, so assuming that he actually did attempt to call this witness, my client's daughter has assured me that she can actually take his phone, make sure he doesn't use the phone. So he cannot even attempt to make contact. He doesn't have a way of even getting himself to Romulus at the current point in time. The exam is set for next week. It's a short period, only a few days. And then we can actually hear what their evidence is. So at this point in time, I'll just ask that Your Honor does give my client a stern warning. Frankly, I've given him a warning. He understands that warning. His daughter has given him a warning to just make no attempted contact at all from here on out. And if he violates that again after this court's warning, then he understands there will be ramifications.
Mr. King.
Your Honor, one of your colleagues arranged the defendant, I'm sure was explained to him, in no uncertain terms as to what no contact means. It's not a terribly abstract principle. I think the fact that he has health and memory issues actually further raise concerns regarding the appropriateness of bond. Typically, in a case of this type, I would ask for remand. And I'm not asking for a straight remand, Your Honor. What I'm asking for is a more appropriate cash bond with additional restrictions.
One couple things.
Not yet. Hold on.
I, do you recall? I don't know.
Yeah, do that.
One of the concerns they got raised initially in my argument is that my client has some other health issues. He's diabetic, takes insulin, and he's in the health along with the rest of this incident. They did not give him his insulin. He had hypoglycemic episode. I want to make sure I get the terminology right. But his health would also be at risk too if he goes to jail and spend even a few days in jail. So that's to sort of take that into consideration.
Okay, give me just a minute. I want to confirm something. Council on Valley. You're pleading responsible on behalf of the company?
Yeah.
You have corporate authority to do so? And, okay, you're pleading responsible to the equipment violation and the overweight, 2,000 on one, 70 on the other, correct? How soon?
Well, Your Honor, the company has already paid in full before they go.
Oh, they said they paid it as a bond? So we owe them some money back. Okay, yeah, we can do that. All right, we'll send it back to them. Yeah, I'm sorry, go ahead.
One first.
You too.
What city is it that he lives in?
Shelby Township. Shelby Township? Yep. Hey, is Granada done and gone? Oh, I'm sorry, I dialed the wrong one. Yeah, is Granada done and out of here? Thanks. We got any more bodies out there? But Mike was too quick on the hang up. All right, we're back on the record on Lemke. Anything else, gentlemen?
Was that thank you?
No.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. You got your phone with you today? You're leaving it with me. You can pick it up next week. I don't want to put it on her, so then he's pressuring her for his phone. I'm gonna I'm gonna add the condition. I'm gonna leave things as are. I'm gonna add the condition GPS tether to the Shelby address. Could you give me your address, ma'am?
8781 Speedway Drive, Shelby Township, Michigan, 48317.
Thank you. And then would you state your name?
A. Smith,
Got it all?
How do you spell the Carrie?
Kerry.
I never would have done that.
Carrie Smith?
Yes.
All right. Anything else, gentlemen?
Yeah, I understand there's already a preliminary exam set for next week at 11 a.m. I think we're going to keep that date.
Yeah, that's what we're planning on. Okay. All right. Thank you. Counsel, you just remember security will give it back to you next week.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
We need to get the
Paperwork for the GPS.
Yep. So I'm gonna do that paperwork, so bonds and
Yeah, we're just adding the GPS. Yeah, so we'll do paperwork that he's gonna need when he gets down there so they can give him the tether. So just wait a minute. We'll give you the paperwork and tell you where to go.
Thank you.
Yeah, and we're done. This is it. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to lunch. I'll be back before 1 o'clock. Larry, good to see you.
Yeah, it's everything for Mr. Levin's got here, right?
Yeah.
All right. You know, what, with your, right?
I would.
He's not here next week. He's next door. Well, no, he's with us. isn't he?